Former Mukoba North MP, Northern Chamisa's close ally, Honorable Amos Chibaya, has sent a strong message to the government, saying that they will not be silenced by unlawful arrest or detention. Chibaya made these remarks in an interview with the Citizen Voice Network, where he emphasized that the idea of change is unstoppable and is for the benefit of all Zimbabweans. Sanapena mashoko atino kuti Amos Chibaya kunyange zvake achangobva kureleasiwa prison nekuda kwema-unlawful arrest anouya achiudza the regime achiti hatitombogwadzeri kunyange hatimbovhunduki kunyange mukatiti munoda kutisunga. Sanapena mashoko mudaniro kana kunoga subscribe like toa the bell icon. Tinoda panapa pachinyereto kudaniro achiti we are not going to be silenced through unlawful arrest or detention. We continue championing the message for change. Arresting Chibaya, arresting Timber cannot stop the idea. The idea is for the Zimbabweans, Chibaya said. Chibaya also highlighted that President Albert Nelson Chamisa resigned from the Citizen Coalition for Change, but he never quit politics. According to Chibaya, Chamisa remains the citizens' president, and the demand for free, fair, and credible elections, as well as electoral reforms, is unstoppable. Chibaya's remarks come at a time when the government has been accused of using arrest and detention to silence opposition voices. However, Chibaya's message is clear: the fight for change will continue, and the government's efforts to silence them will not succeed. To mashoko atinoda kuti vana Amos Chibaya vari kuyamba vachiudza the regime mashoko anoshamisa kuti hatimbokuvhundukei isusu kunyange mukati aresta kunyange mukasati aresta, our message for change will never change. Tudze mafungiro enyu kuti kudai pamusoro chechitiko ichi nakume section yedu, musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.